Hello everyone, my name is Linda Gunda. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company, and we cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coordinations. We also do custom events that cater to our client needs and wants. So let's say you don't want a full service because they offer too much for you, and the partial is offer less. We can tailor a package to fit your needs. We do corporate events. We do anything that need planning and decor. We also handle it as well. We do events in, as I say, in and around the Philadelphia area, New Jersey, Delaware. We also do destination weddings. We do home staging. So we pretty much do. I am a certified wedding planner and a florist. So as I stated yesterday, I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the things that photographer do not want you to do before your wedding. Some of the things that can change the overall aspect of your look. And I'm going to try to keep it very basic and very simple. Tonight really is a crazy night, but as I said, I'm going to try to do this video no matter what. As before I start, I'm actually doing corsages for wedding. So I'm doing different looks. So these are two that I started so far, and I have the little curve. So before I put the bracelet, so you can either go here, you can make it longer. We can put it on the wrist with the wristlet to kind of have it just go like that. But I started working it, but today I'm gonna try to. But let me know what you think. As I said, after wedding season, once things get a little calmer, I can go ahead and teach you guys some of these tricks how to use. And these are pretty much simplified. These are Italian ruskets. These leaf are Italian ruskets, and these are just bumps that we're using. So and those are the props. So I just put a little bit of broad when it's simple, and I'm trying to look to see if I want to do it with ribbon or without the ribbon. So let me just get forward and then start. So in regards to your wedding, as we know, your face, it shows every expression. When you're happy, you are sad. When you're stressed, when you everything, it shows us all. So most of the time when we are planning our wedding, I should say when you are planning your wedding, a lot of factors that comes in to make you stress. So one thing that photographer do not want you to do, and I know it's hard, it's not easy said and done, is do not stress leading. What if it's day or two? Don't have anything. If it's the day before your wedding, you want to try to be as calm as possible. Even if a week leading onto it, please, 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 please. Because you know why? That stress showing in your face. I don't care how much makeup you put on. When you are stressed, when you are tired, it shows you that you can see it. So one thing photographer do not want you to do leading to your wedding: do not stress. Done. Another thing is get some rest. They need you to get some rest because you don't want those bags under your eyes and those saggy feelings and everything under your eye that you're walking around. It just look like you just sleep. Because you gotta want to say you're paying a lot of money for this wedding. You're doing this a lot of things that you're doing for your wedding, and these, especially your picture, those are things that can last for a lifetime. And there's no do over. Even if you do take the picture, it's not gonna be the same. That look, that feel, it's not gonna be the same. So make sure you are not stressed, angry, sad. You want to look like a radiant bride. So try everything. One of the things I recommend my couple is that the day before, even if you can go to get a massage and just try to relax yourself, or even if a few days before, just try to relax. 2, do not get a spray tan. Do not get a chemical peel. Do not get anything that will alter your face, your skin the day before the wedding. Please don't. Because when you just go ahead and get a tan the day before the wedding, it's still, and if you overdo it, you might look orangey, you might look too dark, you might look too right. That looks bad. You can't change it. Don't get a chemical peel or a new treatment that you haven't done before. No face thing that you don't. Go get a new lashes that is all the way here and your eyes is so red and your face just look horrible. Please, if you're gonna get your facials, try to do it at least a week before the wedding, a few days before, so just in case there's any reaction, you know how to counteract it and you know what to do. So please, no tan, no chemical peel the day before your wedding, no major thing to your skin and your face that will cause you to change your overall look in your picture. You do not want to look horrible on your wedding. Two, now okay, another thing, do not overdo your makeup. I know we all want the face big. Make sure one thing is go ahead and get a test run. And the makeup that you normally use, if you are a person who wear heavy makeup, lay it down. Because honestly, when I light on your picture, you can see two different color tones on your skin. You can see the makeup pattern like layers and layers to you. You might think it look cute, but we can see a makeup is not, you're not supposed to put so much makeup on your face that people can tell you have a makeup. Even if you have on Facebook, there's a, you want a natural glam. You want a beat. You want a face beat, but this is not the time to wear dark, heavy, gothic makeup or nightclub. What I'm saying is when it's dark, when you go in the night, you can wear heavier makeup because it's dark, nobody can see. But you in the daylight, you don't want to wear makeup and people look like you just had a week worth of makeup on your face. So tune down your makeup. Make sure it's not overpowering. Make sure your foundation matches your skin palette. Make sure it blends. Make sure whoever you are using, I make sure I blend it well. Please do not look like a dead person on your makeup day. Please. A lot of it's don't do it. Please don't do it. So I'm telling you, just use that for take advice from me. You might think like, oh my God, this is so great. But please do not wear heavier makeup on. You want to look elegant, natural, but yet still enhance it. Enhance it a little bit. Not look like you just died. Please don't do it. You will regret it. You will really, really regret it. So, that's the thing. No altering the skin. Chemical peels, tan. Don't be stressed out towards your wedding day because all those things can handle. And then another one, please wait till after the reception. Not after the reception, but towards the end of the reception. Don't get hammered. I understand your wedding, you happy, but you don't want to be a slobbily drunk. And this is not only for female. I'm talking about guys. This and all these tips now. I don't want to say that thing is for female. Well, the makeup, of course, yes, but it relates to both men and women. Men don't want to be stressed as well, and men, guys, you don't want to be slobbily drunk that they can't even take a picture. That half of your picture is your bride's the only one that in the picture. Half of the picture you like passed out on the floor, and you spend all this money. You are just so drunk that they can't even stand you up. That you can't even do nothing straight. And I'm talking about both men because I seen it both ways. I seen guys drunk. I seen men drunk. Limited. So for me as a wedding professional, what I do, I limit the amount of alcohol that comes into the bridal suite and the groom suite. I don't care what is your wedding or not. I make sure I tell the servers this is the amount of alcohol they allow. And I tell the client that myself, like, yeah, we gonna wait when you get all your pictures in, when you do after your ceremony pictures and you take all your pictures that you need, when you get there reception and you want to get slobbering drunk, that's on you. But get your pictures out the way and then you can go ahead and be a slobbering drunk. But please, don't be drunk. Do it for your photographer, please, so they can take great pictures. You want to love your picture when you see it. You don't want to sit there and you just look a hot mess. So, photographer, you're paying them for a lot of money. If you're a photographer, and they're trying to capture this picture for you to make sure you have a lasting memory. Please listen and do that. So, let the small things go. Please. Try to relax. Don't try no new things. Listen to your photographer. Follow the instruction. They know what they're doing. I know sometimes it might seem like it's a lot. They're asking you to stand here, do this, do that. Asking you to smile. They're asking you to do that. They know their job. They just want to make sure your day is great. They want to make sure you have these wonderful pictures. If you don't follow the photographer instruction, if the bridal party do not follow the instruction, what they want you to do, you're not going to capture a lot of pictures. You're not going to get a lot of things that you need. So please listen to your photographer and allow them to do their job. But thank you for watching. I really have to go, but please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. Thank you for watching. You can go to my website at www.lyndaperfect.creationseven.com to learn more information about my services and also schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Thank you, and you have an amazing day. Good night.